Hello everyone, this is the Millennial Investor here with the August update. It's been a while. I do apologize for the delay of this video, but I've been pretty busy with work and I haven't really had time to make another video. But let's go ahead and get started. This is my Lending Club account for this month. As you can tell, I've put in an additional $1,200, and the amount last month was $5,300 about, and now it's about $6,533. So an increase of roughly $33.45. It wasn't exactly the 40 or 50 I was expecting, and the reason for that is there were actually two notes that entered grace period last month. Now, when a note goes into grace period, I immediately take action and I start to try and sell the note. And I was able to sell one of the notes for a 50% loss, so about $12. And the other note I had to sell for about a 75% loss. And this note that I had to sell, there was good justification for it. It was one of the first notes I bought. This is it over here actually, because I sold it this month. But also, it had some things that normally I wouldn't now purchase a note if I had noticed these things. So for example, this note actually had two public records on file. And normally if it has even one, I won't purchase that note. In addition, I do not know what their job was. It was this NA. Their income was kind of low for the, well, I guess for the amount they were asking for wasn't that bad. But you know, not the highest. And there was just a lack of information along with these public records, things like that. Those should have been red flags, but of course I was new to the platform and you make mistakes when you're new to the platform, so that's kind of what happened. But other than those couple mishaps, everything else has been going really smoothly this month. I did hope to put in some more money, but of course when those grace period notes happened, I kind of took a step back. And I will probably be investing more this month, but we'll see on that. But everything else is going good. If we take a look at the more details page, you're going to see right away that my weighted average has dropped about 13.14%. And I've noticed recently that I've been investing in lower percent notes. And I think that's just because there doesn't seem to be a lot of worthy notes that are in that D and F or DE and F and kind of C category. I'm seeing a lot of great notes in the A and Bs, but I'm not seeing anything below that, and of course I only invest in notes that I feel confident about. The interest rate is less important to me. Whether or not I get my money back is way more important. So, you know, we're seeing more and more turnover with the investment. We're seeing that this month, you know, 46, and this number should continue to grow. So by the end of this month, this number should be closer to 60, and that will be about that 10% that I'm currently getting right now, 10%, but if we take out those grace period notes, you know, things would have looked a lot better. But that happens. In terms of the Prosper account, we can take a look at it right over here. And you're going to notice right away that I have $1,033, which is up from last month, which was $1,022. So it's gone up about $11. I have not put any additional funds in my Prosper account, mainly because of those grace period notes, and also I've just been really busy in the month of July. So I wasn't able to, you know, give this the focus. It's actually just recent that this hit zero again. And even for my Lending Club account, you know, I still have enough for a couple more notes, but it's just finding those notes and, you know, dedicating the time. That's kind of where I'm starting to see some issues. And if I continue with these two platforms, I got to know that it's going to take more and more of my time to get that 10% return. So things like that. So that's something worth considering. In terms of everything else though, my Prosper account's doing great. 12.77% average yield. Nothing in the late area. One note fully paid. And things are looking really good for Prosper. Of course, Prosper doesn't get as many notes as Lending Club, and it takes a little more time to filter through those. But in terms of notes that haven't gone into grace period, I believe Prosper is currently winning that battle. So there you have it. Two more accounts that are going well, and they're continuously making profit. So we're going to keep these going. And this month I actually hope to start some new investments. So stay tuned and you'll hear about those. But that's about it. Things are going great. So with that, that's going to conclude this video. This is the Millennial Investor signing out, and I will see you next month. Peace, guys.